Alright, now we done introducing the diagnostic kit, hardware parts, and then is some connection precautions, right? Okay, so next we will get the software application on the Android phone to work with it, to make it, take a real simulation on troubleshooting a computer desktop motherboard. Okay, alright, so now let's get started to download the app first. Okay, I get a Android phone here, and then next what we'll do is make sure we connect to the internet, Wi-Fi. Okay, and then launch the Google browser, type in the address. Will addition apk.file is for Android. Okay, we single click on it, okay, and then see upper right here, it is a download. Click on download, and then wait a little bit, it will start downloading about 4.5, so 4.75 megabyte. So we just need to wait a little until it's done downloading. Okay, we can see the download progress here. It is about minutes left though. While it is downloading, I would like to discuss a little bit more about the app here. Since this is the new latest app for Android, so which is Google printing, and we probably need to allow the installation of the app on our phones to grant the rights to install to proceed. And then Android device, no worry, it comes with its own security check. It will check the app installation, and then everything pass okay, and then we can start using it. Okay, all right. So we probably need to wait half more minutes though, a few more minutes. Sorry, about 20 seconds. Almost done. Alright, it is about done downloading, and we will let the system check, and then we'll proceed to the installation. Okay, see, this is the file download 4.75, right? And then we click on it. Okay, oh wait, probably I clicked the wrong place here. Okay, it will ask to install. Yes, click on install, and then okay, here don't click on open yet. Okay, we need to click on done, because we have still some steps need to prepare, before we can launch the app. If we click on launch the app now, we will go back and then quite messy, maybe forget where we should, to continue or to start again. Okay, so now we're done with the installation. We can close it, all this. Okay, and then we will see the icon here. 7.1 is over here, right? Okay, all right. So next to do is we have the latest Android app installed on our Android phone. Then we need to turn on the diagnostic kit Bluetooth hardware, right? So we can connect it, use our phone to connect it, right? So we need to use this wire, this built-in, see, remember the built-in USB wire. It will turn on these Bluetooth modules. Okay, so we remember use the Android 5V charger to provide the power. Don't connect this to the motherboard USB. Okay, although it is the same USB type, we must use the 5V external power source. Okay, once we connect to the power, we see the lights here is blinking, right? Which is the Bluetooth indicator. It means it's standby, waiting for pairing. Now we go back to our phone here, and done this, and then we will go to the control setting, right? Setting control here, and then we watch the Bluetooth, pair new device. Wait a little bit, it will show up a new Bluetooth device. Okay, see, we see a new Bluetooth BT ending at BT10, right? We click on this. The password is just 4 zeros or 1234. I tested myself. 1234 is the right one. Okay, and don't worry about the 2 checkbox. Just click on OK, and then pairing will be done pretty quick. All right, so it is connected, right? All right, so now we're done with the Bluetooth pairing with the device and our master diagnostic card and the Android phones. All right, now next we need to do is we can launch this new latest app. Click on this app, and then don't worry about the first page talking about whatever it is. Just click on the last part. I already know this, and then okay, we see the diagnostic main menu, right? Oh, this is refreshing. A lot of information with LED and some descriptions here. But from the top, we see please follow this step below. Okay, actually we already done a lot of them. So we watch now. Remember, we pair our Android phone Bluetooth with our master diagnostic card. This is the hardware levels pairing. Now we need to do is the application level pairings. We need to let not just this Android phone, we need to let this phone's application, the new latest app, to work, to know what device it needs to talk to and work with. Okay, so we will add this Motherboard device in the app. So click on the upper right corner here, right, and then we will see the BT10, correct? And then click below, and then BT10, click on once, and then watch the top. See, the status changed to connected to the diagnostic card. This is pretty quick, right? So now we have the top status showing connected to the diagnostic card. So the application and the phone completely connected with our master diagnostic kit. And now you see the light is not blinking anymore because it is connected. So we will be stable, lights on. Okay. So now what we need to do is we can start the diagnosis, but we need to make sure we understand USB is the first prioritized option for us to check on the motherboard, correct? Because a motherboard have a USB, LPC, PCI, PCIe, a lot of different connectors, and then our first prioritized ports is using the USB, and then we will need to take our USB cable out. This is the USB cable, right? Okay, remember, again, this wire built-in USB running from the master board is for powering on the board itself, for the Bluetooth, just for power. And then this USB cable it will take the data analysis, so it will participate in the USB diagnosis. Okay, this is the new latest breakthrough technologies, and I will show you how to how to wire the USB. All right, now we use the micro USB type. This cable, 2 sides, right? The small one goes to the master board, VA board. Make sure we connect it right. Just connect it a little bit. No need to push all the way in. There's no enough space. Okay. And then the other side of the USB cable. Okay, this is the full step. We can connect it to the computer, any USB port we want. Okay, and then we plug it in. All right, and then we hold it one hand, and the other hand we need to power it on. Okay, let me grab a screwdriver, and then see we have the computer like 24 pins power, right? This power cable connected already. Four pins connected as well. Remember, don't forget these 4 pins power cables. The power connectors. Otherwise, the computer will keep rebooting itself. Okay, and then now we can power it on. Please watch. Okay, okay. Let me grab the Android phone out. Okay, now we need to watch out. Once we power on the motherboard, the screen will change. the diagnosis will, you see, it says test in progress, please wait, right? Okay, make it clear, and then let it run. The top, it will run full probably until 99 or 100 progress. So it depends on different type of list of component there. Okay, see, and then so see, we are done with the diagnosis. It says what? Please fix the signals indicated by the off indicators. Okay, and then if you blah blah blah, you know, all this point us to see. We see at the lower right here, it's a current 51. Code 51, according to our menu, it points to the computer memory RAMs. So yes, this computer memory has some problems. Okay, so we will check on the memory. Let me pull out one of them and then see if, and redo the diagnosis and see if it gives us another result or not. Okay. All right. Let's put the phone aside. I need to power this off. First. Okay, power off. And then I will take the RAM. Let's see which RAM is that. Maybe this one is a 4, I guess. Take the memory out. Okay, let me clean the pins with a school paper rubber and see if we can get a better connection or what. Okay, and let's plug the RAM back in. Okay, very good. Unplug the USB cable. We put back the power connector to the motherboard and then plug the USB cable connector again and see. We go get our app. Okay, maybe we can turn restart. And now, okay, power on. Let's see what kind of results we have. Hope the RAM is working properly now. Oh, okay. See, this time the RAM passed the test. So it shows what? Oh, wait. It shows the USB test passed. CPU, motherboard, memory, and USB controller all work, right? And then blah blah blah, you know. And then the current code is 80, so it is not. It's different from 51. So it tells us everything passed. This computer is working correctly. Okay. While you know we have the motherboard diagnostic card, you know, in the diagnosis procedures. The lights will flashing. This is very normal. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, yep. And this is all we got. If we need to know more about the diagnostic result, we can click on the menu. You know, go through all these steps we want, or we can go on help. You know, all those. And then also here is at the lower left is the, if we still have doubt, you know, we can go through all these points. And also we don't understand, click on whatever, and then. Okay, so we a lot of things to learn. So now we get the overall process how this diagnostic kit works. Okay, and then if you have any question, you know, I will contact me. I will help as soon as I can.